Hey guys, today we are going to be unboxing some kind of putty. It's some kind of poop putty, so let's do this. It feels like the slime, but also putty. It said on the package that it balanced. This does not balance.